So this is our parrot, or my parrot. Hi, Jax. I've had her for, I guess, 13 or 14 years now. She's a Maximilian Poinus, and she just wants to eat right now. Hey, you want to be in your cage? It's still early in the morning, and I just took the cover off her cage, and she doesn't really want to be bothered right now, do you? Hello. My phone's at 6:30 in the morning. Oh my God. Anyway, that's Jax. She's a Maximilian Poinus, and they do live a long time. She's a really good bird. She likes me and she hates everybody else. Come here. Come on. Come here. You want a treat? You want a treat? Come here. Say treat. She comes. You want a treat? Come on. Come here. Treats. Want an almond? Here. Come on. Let's get you an almond. Come here, Jax. Give you a treat. Here. Treats. Come here. Oh, don't be so stupid. Come here. Here. She doesn't want to be bothered right now. I'll put it in your food dish. There.